Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how to post reels of more than 1 minute longer on your stories. So steps are very simple. Without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, go to the Instagram app, and once you go to Instagram app, go to the reels option, and once you go to the reel option, you can see
हमेशा ख्याल रखूंगा
you cannot post tap on the arrow sign on the bottom corner, tap on that and try to post if you want to add to a story a reels that is longer than 1 minute, then it is impossible to post a video or reels on more than 1 minute longer. So what we can do is we can just copy the link here. So copy link and simply go back to your Play Store, and what you do on your Play Store is type for the repost for post stories. Once you type that and install into your Android phone, then what you do is just tap on open. Once you open it, the steps are very simple. Once you open it, it will automatically link that copy uh, to this app. So simply type on the arrow sign on the bottom. So once you tap that, it will pop up with this interface where you can see it will link the video that you copied here. So I have copied this video link earlier, so you have simply tap on that video. Once you tap on that video, it whatever you want to post to the feed, tap on that. If you want to add to story, simply tap on add to story. Once you do that, it will redirect you to this video and you can simply uh, post the video. Simply tap on add to story and it's done. So you can simply add a video much longer than 1 minute.
मैं हमेशा ख्याल रखूंगा
These are very simple, guys. Just follow this simple steps and you can simply upload the reels longer than 1 minute. Hope this video helpful for you guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And if you are having any issues like this, please don't forget to comment below so that we can solve your issue and come on to next video. Thank you.